Welcome to Kitchen Karma. In this video I'll show you how to make Ragi Dosa. The ingredients are ragi flour, or also called as millet flour, 2 cups of these. This is black gram or urad dal, half cup of this. This is tapioca or sabudana, also called as sime akki or sabaki in my mother tongue Kannada, half cup of these. This is fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, about half teaspoon. I have soaked 3 ingredients except for ragi flour in water. You can see like this. So you can soak at least for 6 to 8 hours. I am soaking and keeping it for like overnight. So I'm going to grind this. I have thrown the old water in which I had soaked and put new water here. I have put 1 cup of water, so I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. So let me check whether it is ground to a fine paste. As you can see, the consistency, and it is fine. So this is done. So I'm going to pour this into a bowl. And this is the ragi flour or millet flour. I'm going to pour this too. So I'm going to pour 2 more cups of water. So let me rinse this jar so that the things which are there won't be wasted. Let me shake it. So pour this again into the bowl. Now I'll be mixing this. So make sure all the ragi flour is mixed with the rest of the grounded mixture. Now I'm going to close this with a lid, and I'll be keeping this for at least 8 to 10 hours or until the mixture rises. When it gets fermented, then I'll be showing how to make dosa. As you can see, the batter is ready. It has fermented well. You can see it has come up in the level. So I'm going to put some salt to taste. So I'm going to mix this. So this is how it looks, the consistency. So I'll be making dosa now. So I have heated up a flat pan at medium heat, and I'm going to splash some water to check whether it is heated up properly. So it is heated up, you can see. Now I'm going to pour dosa batter. So this is 1 big spoon, another half. So spread it like this. We're not putting too much pressure. So I put some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil. So along the border outside. So I'll be putting a lid on this and wait for it to get cooked. Let me see whether it is cooked on the other side. Yeah, I'm going to flip it with dosa. You see how it looks. So I'm going to put some more oil on this side too and wait for it to cook or get cooked. So I'm putting the lid again. Wait for some more time. Okay, let me check whether it is cooked fully. So let us flip. As you can see, it is cooked. So dosa is ready. I'm going to put this onto a plate. So this is ragi dosa, ready to eat. You can eat this with chutney or chutney powder for it to make it spicy, or just like that with some butter. Thanks for watching.